Scoro is a robust accounting software that offers a wide range of features, but before you commit, here are 12 key things you should know. Whether you're considering it over competitors like QuickBooks or Xero, it's important to weigh your options carefully. Let's dive right in. First, Scoro is known for its all-in-one functionality. Unlike other tools, it combines accounting, project management, and CRM in one platform, making it a great option for businesses that need more than just basic accounting. However, this comes with a steeper learning curve, especially compared to simpler software like QuickBooks. Next thing, Scoro offers strong customization options. You can tailor it to your specific needs, which is perfect for businesses with unique workflows. But this level of customization can also slow you down in the beginning. If you're looking for something more straightforward, a competitor like FreshBooks might be better suited. The third thing to note is Scoro's pricing. While the platform packs a lot of value, it is on the pricier side, especially when compared to alternatives like Xero. It may be worth the investment if you need all-in-one functionality, but if you're a smaller business or startup, it might stretch your budget. The fourth thing is Scoro's dashboard, which is highly regarded for its clean and easy-to-navigate interface. This feature is a huge selling point, but not all users appreciate the amount of information it displays up front. If you're looking for a minimalist dashboard, a solution like QuickBooks may better suit your needs. The fifth thing to consider is Scoro's automation capabilities. The software automates a variety of tasks such as invoicing and reporting. However, some users report that the automation features can be a bit rigid compared to other accounting software that offers more flexibility, like Zoho Books. Next thing, Scoro excels at detailed reporting. The reporting tools are incredibly powerful, offering insights into profitability, cash flow, and project performance. But the downside is that it can be overwhelming for those who only need basic reports, making it less ideal for small businesses that don't require that level of detail. The seventh thing to keep in mind is its integration options. Scoro integrates with a wide range of other software, including CRM tools, but it's worth noting that the integrations aren't always seamless. Some users report having to jump through hoops to get everything working together smoothly. The eighth thing is Scoro's time tracking feature. If you're in an industry where time management is critical, this tool is incredibly useful. However, for businesses that don't rely heavily on billable hours, it may be an unnecessary feature, making simpler tools more appealing. Next up, Scoro offers excellent customer support with options like live chat and email. But like with most software, response times can vary. If you're used to the more immediate support found with companies like FreshBooks, this could be a potential downside. The 10th thing is Scoro's mobile app. While it's functional, it doesn't quite match the user-friendliness of its desktop version. This is an important factor to consider if you plan on managing your finances on the go. The 11th thing is its focus on larger businesses. Scoro is designed with growing companies in mind, which means that while it's scalable, it can feel too complex for smaller businesses with less demanding needs. If you're just starting out or running a smaller operation, you might find simpler platforms like QuickBooks Online more aligned with your needs. Lastly, Scoro offers a free trial, which is a great way to test out the software before fully committing. This is particularly important given its price point, so you can assess if it truly meets your business needs before making a long-term investment. So, while Scoro is a powerful all-in-one accounting solution, it's not necessarily the right fit for everyone. If you're looking for something simpler or a platform that better suits smaller businesses, there are other options out there. For those who want a better option, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see how it stacks up.